For as long as fruits and vegetables have existed, parents have struggled to get their kids to eat them. From turning the spoon into an airplane to withholding dessert, they've tried everything. But now, there might be a new solution, and it's not what you would expect. Dayton Elementary has become a pilot site for a new program in which kids grow their own food in mobile gardens at the school. Educators are hoping this can be used to teach kids about healthy eating habits while also making it fun for them.
So me and a couple staff members were brainstorming one day and we came up with portable gardens, and we thought that we would launch them in the school systems. That way the platform for the children was to take care of something, show where food comes from, show being outside, being active, and growing your own vegetables led to healthy living.
That's right. Turns out, putting a plate of healthy food in front of your child might not be the best way to make it appetizing for them, but when they grow it themselves, it's more likely that they'll want to get a taste of their own hard work. Today, 1 in 5 children and teenagers have obesity in the US, according to a recent study from the CDC. This project aims to tackle that epidemic, with a big component of it being the 5210 initiative.
5 stands for at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables per day. 2 stands for less than 2 hours of recreational media time. 1 stands for at least 1 hour of physical activity per day. And 0 stands for 0 sugary drinks.
The plan going forward is to extend this program to nearby community centers over the summer. For Dayton Principal Ryan Simmons, this is a step in the right direction.
Having the ability to go outside and water it and tend to it and watch it grow. I mean, that's what we do here in the school system, is we watch our students grow and prosper. And I think it's great that they'll be able to do the same thing and care for something here.
For Life on the Wabash, I'm Sam Shakur.